So for my next project, I just purchased a new Charbroil Performer barbecue. I already cut a cover on it, and this is my old barbecue, and I realized I can reuse this bottom piece for something, and that something is I am going to build some type of shelf to hang tools, because I got all this crap here and I need to organize it. So come back in a few days and you will start to see ideas pop up. I'm going to create something. For consideration, I wanted to keep it simple based on the tools I had and my capabilities. So this is how I organized all my tools using the bottom half of the old barbecue. Here we go. Ta-da! I just basically put extra stuff inside, close the door with duct tape, and I'm good.